Let's learn how to remove a person from any photo using Google Photos. If you ever want to delete an object or person from a photo but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Photos app. Once you've opened Google Photos, you will be on the main screen where you need to find the photo from which you want to remove something. When you have found it, click on it to open the photo. Then, you need to click on the Edit option located at the bottom of the screen. After clicking on it, several options will appear, and you need to select the Tools option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on that, two options will appear, and you need to click on Magic Eraser. After clicking on it, use your finger to select what you want to erase from the photo. Once selected, simply move your finger, and the object will be erased. However, if you have any errors on the photo that weren't erased, I'll show you how to fix them. You need to click on the Done option in the bottom right corner. After clicking on that, the Save option will appear in the same place, which you need to click on. Now go to the Snapseed app, which is free. If you don't have it, install it. Once you've opened the app, you need to click on the plus sign in the middle. After clicking on it, select the photo with the error. On the screen that opens, click on the Tools option, and many options will appear. From those options, you need to click on Healing. Now use your finger to go over the error and it will be erased. After you're done, click on the Done option in the bottom right corner. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.